Karnataka's much-awaited social and educational survey, or the caste census, is set to begin from today against a lot of controversy. The 15-day socio-educational survey will go on till October 7th. This is the second survey to be conducted by the Karnataka State Commission for Backward Classes, the first survey being conducted in 2015. The commission has compiled a tentative list of 1,400 castes. Now, the survey is being held amid a sea of objections raised by the BJP and other politically dominant and numerically strong communities. The survey will see as many as 1.75 lakh enumerators, mostly government school teachers, covering around 7 crore people in approximately 2 crore households across the state. Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar on Sunday appealed to the leaders of all communities and religions not to panic about the exercise. He also slammed the BJP, saying the opposition in the state is trying to mislead the public by giving false narrative to the exercise.
See, BJP is dividing people. Congress party wants to unite people. We, on the request of various, including us, we requested, and my party high command was very kind enough to hear to the grievances, and we are given an opportunity to all of them to raise their consent. Whoever have been affected, some of them said that they have not been taken care, they have not been properly registered. So we are given an opportunity to all of them. But some of them tell that time is very short, but let us see. We will go, even in the scheduled caste issue also, we gave the sufficient time, because the schools are closed 15 days, 20 days, they have a holiday on this Dasara festival time. All the teachers have agreed, and every day, I think 30, 40 people or something might be there. I don't know what is the number, the target is being given to them. All the entire state, the official machinery is working to give justice to all the backward class people. My party high command and the chief minister to give more opportunity to all the section of the people, and we have given them justice. Now it is to the left to the community leaders and all of them to see that they register their whatever their numbers are there, and the socio-economic strength has to be found out. They should give a proper data. It is the duty of common man, and even the mutts and my community leaders also should take up the responsibility. All irrespective of the political party, everyone, they should protect their own party and the caste also, whatever religion they belong.